Imagine a quiet lecture hall. On the blackboard, symbols, arrows, a single word, proof. Now imagine the same hall lit by candlelight, and two adults, and a map of touch. What connects these scenes? Mathematical logic and the art of making someone come. Stay with me. Start with axiom. In logic, axioms are truths you agree on before you prove anything. In the bedroom, your axioms are consent, comfort, and curiosity. Declare them out loud. Those are non-negotiable. With those in place, we can build theorems. Think of the missionary position as a basic model. In a formal system, it's the simplest hypothesis, face to face, body aligned, easy to tap. From that model, we can introduce variable, angle, pressure, rhythm, eye contact, breath, verbal cues. Each variable is like a symbol in our logical language. Change one, and the output can change drastically. Apply an if-then rule. If you tilt the pelvis up, then internal alignment improves. If you slow the breath, intention drops. These are conditional statements you can test together. Try building chains. If A, then B. If B and C, then D. In plain English, if she feels safe and you sync your breathing, then she's more likely to relax. If relaxed, then stimulation is more effective. If effective, then orgasm becomes more likely. This is not mysticism. It's conditional probability dressed up in sensual clothes. Now for quantifier, for all partners, your mileage will vary. There exists some angles and words that will work wonderfully tonight. Don't assume universality. Treat pleasure like an experiment. Form a hypothesis, run a short trial, gather feedback, update your hypothesis. Repeat. Science is sexy when it respects data. Watch out for logical fallacy. The false cause fallacy is you try to trick once and assumed it caused the result. Confirmation bias is worse. Noticing only the successes and ignoring the misses. Better approach, A/B testing. Change only one variable at a time and observe. Communication is your lab notebook. Ask, listen, adjust, record results, not on paper, but in memory, in mutual joke. Let's talk about the climax theorem. Female orgasm is not a single clause you can always prove with one line of reasoning. It's a complex proof with many lemons. Physical stimulation, psychological safety, arousal history, expectations, and micro adjustments. Sometimes the proof is long and winding. Sometimes it's quick. Sometimes it needs a different set of axioms for that night. Add aesthetic pleasures from logic. Symmetry, mirror breath, mirrored movement creates resonance. Entanglement, shared eye contact, whispers, creates deeper coupling. Modulate your rhythm like a slow logical proof, then a sudden elegant conclusion. Celebrate small corollaries, moans, soft squeezes. The laughter, they're useful data points. Finish with the most elegant theorem of all. Curiosity plus care. Be playful, test gently, fail gracefully. Update your model together. Turn your bed into a laboratory of effect, where experiments are consented, observations are kind, and the reward is not just the result, but the joy of discovery. So tonight, take the missionary as your first axiom. Introduce variables, run experiments, and write the proof together. After all, the most satisfying theorems are those you prove with someone you love